In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make hanging continuous shelf in SketchUp. First of all, we have to prepare the wall and the floor for the medium. So then we can make the pattern with the line. We can start from the bottom and we can drag it to the left and turn into the right again and to turn into the left again, and just follow this step on this video anyway. So then we can make the continuous hanging wall shelf. Okay, we have got the pattern anyway, so then we can offset it inside with offset tool. Okay, we can offset it inside just a little bit of the thickness, maybe around 30 millimeter. So then we can close this basic pattern. Then we can push it to the forward around 400 millimeter. And then we can make it group, and so then we can adjust the synthetic surface. We can use this, and then we can set the wall material. Maybe we can use this wall material anyway. Okay, maybe we can use this wall material, or maybe we can choose the another wall material with a stone for example. We can use this. Okay, and done. Okay, I think, or you can make the shadow to make it more clear look of this SketchUp modeling. And thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.